In this video, I will guide you on how to cancel SuperGrok subscription. First, launch open Google Play Store on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on Manage All Apps and Devices option. Tap on that. Now you should be able to find the option of Update All. Go ahead and tap on that. After that is done, you want to update the system software. For that, head over to your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Software Update. Here, tap on Download and Install. Now go ahead and select the install option over here. Once that is done, you want to head back over to your settings. Here, you want to tap on Apps. Now go ahead and find the specific app that is crashing. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on Clear Cache, then head back. Now tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Then you want to restart your phone. For that, press and hold the power button plus volume down button. Hold for 30 seconds until the phone restarts. Your app should now stop crashing or freezing. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.